Hello everyone and good day. Welcome to LifePill, the channel that lets you learn positive psychiatry and how it helps sustain the healthy minds of those who practice it so that altogether we will grow well in life. Before I begin this episode, allow me to say thank you to all my LifePill movers for supporting me in my advocacy and this platform for advancing my cause for mental health education and for propagating the call for positivity and hope in this terrifying time. As you might have known, I have been conducting my mental health webinar series in various places in the past weeks. 2 weeks ago, I did that in General Santos City, and just very recently, I did one in Tacurong City, province of Sultan Kudarat. And I must say that my experience has been so thrilling knowing that I have engaged with my participants in the webinar series, as well as the level of mutual learning I have gained upon engaging with them. So once again, thank you so much to General Santos City and to Tacurong City, province of Sultan Kudarat webinar participants, for I know I have learned a lot from you as well. For the episode 3 of our mental health webinar series, we are moving a little bit farther to Malaybalay City, province of Bukidnon. And I am truly very excited for that one to happen the soonest time possible. But before anything else, allow me to say thank you to all the people behind who are working really very hard to make our episode 3 very possible. As usual, as part of our pre-work activity, I will be asking you, my dear webinar participants, our general audience, and my LifePill movers, the 3 essential questions that are reflective in nature and will help us unravel our thoughts, our emotions, and our experiences in this terrifying time. Please don't forget to comment your insights and your reflections in the comment section down below and use our official hashtags, which are hashtag positive psychiatry, hashtag making experiences better, hashtag mental toughness, and hashtag inspirational video. As I always say, much as we use YouTube for entertainment purposes, we can also do so for educational purposes. So, are you guys ready for your 3 essential questions? For question number 1, do you believe that you can make your experiences better in this time of pandemic? For question number 2, do you agree that we can lessen or eradicate the perils of social media? And for question number 3, do you agree that developing mental toughness is a form of self-care? Once again, please comment your insights and your reflections in the comment section of this video, and please use our official hashtags. Thank you so much to you, my LifePill movers, for your participation and for your cooperation. You have just done something great to help brighten our journey in this horrifying time. So thank you so much for that. Thank you also to those who have shared their suggestions for my future content. And please know that I am noting them down well, so I will be guided for my next videos. In the next few weeks, please stay tuned also, for I will be featuring my top 5 most reflective insights from the past webinar episodes that we had. And who knows, I will be featuring your work for others to learn from as well. And in the next few weeks also, please stay tuned for my holiday season reflection question, as I will be needing your insights and your reflections once again for that matter. Indeed, there is so much more for us to wait here on LifePill, and I am so excited for this to be unraveled in God's perfect timing. So please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you will get updated if I upload videos in real time. And don't forget to follow me on my social media accounts flashed on your screens and listed in the description box of this video, so you will also get updated on the activities of LifePill and be a LifePill mover yourself. Also, don't forget to like and share my inspirational videos, and together, let us make that big difference in our community. Once again, you are watching LifePill, the channel that hopes to grow a community that embraces positivity and hope for people to grow well in life. Lots of love and positivity to all of you. Bye!